Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. May 30, 2025, Friday Racing. Patuloy, Ferrocom rating-based handicap system race, Summer Racing Festival, no bearing races, no effect. Hanggang June 8 po. Meron tayong 7 races. Only race 1 lang ang 1,400. Yung 6 na iba pang races, race 2 hanggang last race 7 ay pawang 1,200 meter distance. Starting time ng karera ngayon, araw ng Friday, 5 p.m. as usual, alas 5 ng hapon. Last Wednesday, 5 win, 2 loss. Wala po tayong Ligeron at Caloocan Sup. Yung pong Ligeron ay naidagdag ko sa taya o pagtaya, pero hindi po wala po akong Caloocan Sup. Yung ating pong tip doon sa race na pinanalunan ni Caloocan Sup, Sunny Nature, ay almost there. Almost win na, pero kinulang sa swerte. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Race 1, umpisa ng winner take all, races 1 to 7. Isang 3-year-old and above maiden race, placers, first and only choice, number 3, Sir Aladdin. Race 2, pick 6, cover races 2 to 7. Ito na yung unang 1,200 meter distance. First choice, number 4, Red Soul. Second choice, number 2, King Hans. Number 3, pick 5, covers races 3 to 7. First choice, number 4, Added Haha. Top weight, pinakamabigat, 57 kilo. Pero napakagandang panalo last time. Second choice, number 2, Central Luzon. Race 4, pick 4, covers races 4 to 7. First choice, number 5, Winters Party. Humble observation, sa akin po lamang. Second choice, number 4, Angel's Crown. Race 5. First choice, number 8, Blue Miss. Second choice, number 1, Sinag. Third choice, number 7, Apollo. Tayo sa race 6. Penultimate race na may Ventafecta. First choice natin, number 3, Lord Bentley. Second choice, number 8, Amor, My Love. At syempre, third choice, number 1, 2, Gatog. Last race, race 7. Race na may Super 6 at Paratingan. Ang ating pong cool, first and only choice, number 7, California King. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!